Akụmụ Biafra dị n'elu aka ndị Igbo ndị eke nkwu na-ezu okwu ndị eke nkwu na-ezu okwu na obi ọcha aka anyị dị n'elu Chineke biko aka anyị dị n'elu Chiọma aka anyị dị n'elu biko onye obi ebere akelekwa aka anyị dị ọcha aka anyị dị n'elu anyị ekene gị nke ọmụme nke ụmụ Biafra anyị ekene gị n'ime ọnọdụ niile ọbụla nke anyị na-asịkwara na onyere ike dị ego mkpọ anyị sị na nke ekene eze ndị eze anyị sị na ekele Chiọma ọ bụdụrụ ka anyị sị ọdụ mma ọdụ njọ na anyị ga-enye gị ekele n'ebe ọ pụrụ iche n'ebe ọ dị ukwuu Chineke anyị na-ebulite ya elu anyị na-ebulite ya elu maka ọnọdụ anyị na maka nsogbu niile nke ụmụ Biafra ndị Igbo na-agabiga mkpagbu anyị niile anyị na-aga taata n'aka ndị iro anyị Chineke anyị na-enye gị ekele anyị na-ekele anụmanụ tiri nọ n'elu na-ekele gị Chineke oke osimiri na-ekele gị mkpụrụ osisi nke ndị na-enye ụwa na-ekele gị ụmụ anụmanụ nke bi n'ime ọhịa na-ekele gị otu aka anyị na ụmụ Biafra ụmụ Chineke anyị sikwa na-ekele gị ụmụ Chukwu na-ekelekwe gị anyị na-ekele gị ọkwa anyị mere anyị na-aza akwa anyị na-aza Chidi ebere nwa Chukwu Chineke nna ọ bụdo ụmụ ụka anyị bụ onweghị chi ọzọ nke anyị gbabere ma ọ bụ na biko anyị na-ekelekwe gị na amara na-ekele gị n'ike ọma nke ị na-emekwara anyị n'ife imekwara anyị anyị wee maa n'ụbọchị nke taata anyị si eze ndị eze anyị si marụkwa otuto marụkwa ekele marakwa mbuli elu Chiọma onwe mkpochi ọzọ ọ bụ ihe aka gị ka anyị gbabere ụmụ Biafra gbabere Igbo niile gbabara Chineke biko mmepe anya ndị efulefu ndị Igbo ndị a nsị ha na-bịachi anyị Chineke mmepe anya ha ka ha mkpu ibe na-abịa bifọ ibe na-abịa n'ihu ha Chineke na mepere anya nke ime mmụọ ka onwe mkpu ibe nke ha na-eme Chineke na mere anyị amara anyị chọrọ ịma na nsọ nke ikwere anyị na nkwa mbụ ala Biafra anyị chọrọ iji egwu n'eli na adị ọ bụrụ ọchọ ndị Igbo agbago n'obodo etu n'ime gị ka anyị gbabara n'ime gị ka anyị nwere nchekwube n'ime gị ka anyị nwere olileanya Chineke anyị mana gaghị egote onye amara onye ebere biko gị onye obi ekele ka anyị na-akpụ isi ala na-eji onye obi ekele anyị na-asị biko gị gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka Chineke anyị na-arịọ n'afọ Chukwu Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. It depends where you'll be getting our videos from. From me, from here is good night. Today, we want to discuss something. We are going to talk about our leaders, Southeast leaders especially, Igbo leaders especially. Southeast leaders, political leaders, and religious leaders, how bad they have been upon we, the Igbos. How these people have, I don't know what to qualify these people with, how wickedness are these people are. And on top of it, they will be celebrating their wickedness and suppressing we are the Igbos, and we are still sitting down there and clapping for them. We are going to talk about them today. Please, as you are getting this video, do us a favor, subscribe to this channel, share our videos to every other platforms, As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Ask him Chukwu Okike Abịama gọzie gị. And those who have already subscribed to this channel, in anything you do in this life, our prayer from this gospel channel, from USB Gospel, we say may God bless you in anything you lay your hand upon. Anyị si onye nwe anyị Chukwu Okike Abịama, onye nke anyị na-akpụ isi ana na-enye, onye nke ọba anyị kpọ ofu ugboro ọzọ anyị ugboro asatọ, ma ya gozie gị, gozie arụ aka, gozie ife ọbụla ị na-eme. Bless you and bless anything you are doing on this earth. I say may God bless you, have more blessing on top of blessings, more abundant blessings. That is our prayer from today in the name of Chukwu Okike Abịama. He said, let's drive so quick. Now, I want to take our memory back to somewhere. I want to take our memory back to somewhere. Where we are going to go, let's listen to Dr. Malam Obodaya. This man, his revelation that he made some years back. Let's listen.
Make some revelation.
Many of you may remember this man, Obadiah. It's not an ordinary man. He walked into Nigerian zoo economy. He was a doctor, and he was I think he was former deputy CBM, something like that. So let's hear from him very quick what revolution that he made. After making this revolution, this man was spy. Nobody talked about him. From this, his revolution, we are going to make something from here now. We are going to do something. Let's listen.
Because some of us also have our own intelligence networks.
Okay.
Have met with some of the bandits. We have met with some of their high commanders. One or two who have repented. They have sat down with us, not once, not twice. They told us that one of the northern governors is the commander of Boko Haram in Nigeria. Boko Haram and the bandits are one and the same thing. They have a sophisticated network. During this lockdown, their planes were moving up and down as though there was no lockdown. Moving ammunitions, moving logistics, moving money, and distributing them in different parts of the country. They're already in the south, in the rainforest of the south. They're everywhere. They told us that when they finish these rural killings, they will move to phase 2. The phase 2 is they will go into the urban cities, going from house to house, killing prominent people. I can tell you, this is the game plan. By 2022, they want to start a civil war in Nigeria. Don't joke with what I'm saying. I have a PhD from Oxford University. I'm a central banker. We don't talk nonsense. So don't joke with what I'm telling you. I have this from the highest possible authority, higher authorities of some of the commanders of the killers and Boko Haram.
You said northern governors, past or present, Dr. Badaya?
No, current. No, they said one of them is the commander of Boko Haram in Nigeria. One of them. And they are not looking for money. They have more than enough money. In fact, he told me they just came back.
Did you hear that? That Boko Haram, that bandits and Boko Haram, they are the same. These people are the same. They just made them. They say these ones are bandits. This is like nickname. They nickname these ones bandit, but they were the same as Ndi Igbo family non international. This, and he's talking about a governor. They asking this governor, is it past governor or is a present as of when he was saying this? And the same set of people who was organizing Boko Haram, who was their commanders, they are into government facilities. They are working into government facilities. The same set of people who is now sitting down there, looking their boys, putting them inside different kind of forest for one motive, to do what? To conquer the people and take their land. So them, that is their boss, who is their commander, who is now sitting in that place you call Abuja. That is why when we tell you that all these people camouflaging themselves in the military uniform, in the police uniform, in custom uniform, in every form of uniform, they are all terrorists in uniforms. The same people and your own Southeast governors, they know that this kind of thing have happened. This man, they empire him because of this revolution he made then. These people, he told you they have money. Money is not their problem. What is their problem now? Their problem is to conquer your land and to have your land. This is why they brought these foot soldiers. And the people like you were there and they are clapping. Okay, listen here. Your own Southeast people, governors, were the people who proscribed IPOB as a terrorist organization. Your own people, Southeast leaders, Southeast governors, especially in the Igbo, they are the one who proscribe their own. Why? In the northern side, they are putting their men inside the government. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? And them and they send this your Southeast leaders who call themselves senators, who call themselves governors, who call themselves whatever, they are sitting down with the same man. Those people who is the terrorist, who is now, for you to know that your Southeast governors, religious leaders, and political, they are handicapped. These men are sitting down there with them. They are the one giving them order from Abuja, who are the commanders of the terrorists, are the one giving these men and women peanuts. Listen here. And their own now, Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu, who is fighting against this injustice, fighting against this impunity. Listen, let me tell you people something. I don't know many of you that is watching this program, if you know where they call Law Panther in Abia State. You know, when our leader was here, he was crying and shouting about that Law Panther. That Law Panther, as I'm speaking to you today, as I'm speaking to you right now, that Law Panther is no-go area. They have the people that owns this community, they have chased them away since Ojus Okalo handled that place over to these Fulani terrorists. They now chase the communities away and be taking their land, and nobody says something. The same your governor, you see this Ojus Okalo you people are seeing. Ojus Okalo committed the most worst damage in Igbo. If you people don't know that, this man brought a lot of problem in Igbo. Ojus Okano, where he's looking for a very selfish human being on this planet. All of them, because of this selfish set of people, because of hunger of money, because of money, crops that their master is using to bribe them, they are now giving Igbo, giving their own people included. That is why you don't want nothing. Only about what or nothing. You don't want nothing. Yoruba. Because of this set of useless men and women. I remember in those days when we are small. So when you want to beat a child, you remember, because of that, game again, gas in but on this one, on our own, no man, no woman will come and speak for you. The only person who can come and speak for you is Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu. The only man again that can come and speak for you is Mazi Simon Ekpa. And these two men who is speaking for you, you as an Igbo, in on Alaba International, in Azwahe na Lagos, in Azwahe no Oshud, in Azwahe every part in that zoo country. Tell me, many of these guys, did you went there? You got Azwahe do to not be able to only opportunity any place you got no Azwahe. No, the answer is no. You got for somebody will finish school in Southeast, you will not be looking for job. Either you go to Lagos or you go to North, looking for job. Where you have the state, where you come from, where you have mineral resources, God have blessed you with abundant mineral resources. In order to say that, due to your ignorance. You are sleeping, clapping for this governor, clapping for the other one. Onye nke bụ onye village anyị, onye nke bụ onye azụla anyị, oya magachi. Where you are doing that, you are selling yourself, you are selling your generation, you are selling your kid unborn. Nke na-akụrụ a politician aka, oh, Peter Obi give him this thing tomorrow. Peter Obi is going to be president tomorrow. Ka ige mori campaign. Ichukwu na onwe campaign nke mere eme before. What happened? Mandu mde ntụnyechere ndụ ha n'ife adịne na. Did Peter Obi care? The answer is no. Genwa asụ onye Igbo nọ na Lagos, ịnọ na Alaba International, ịnọ na Trade Fair, ịnọ every part na that two country. Ọ na-abụ a na-eme election. Your governor, Igbo governor, all these Igbo politician, then we come to that place telling you, oh, ndị Igbo no ebe niile na-azụ ahịa. Is that what the kind of life you want to be living? Ndị Igbo no ebe niile na-azụ ahịa. When something happens tomorrow, if ọbụna mechi maọbụla n'otu maọbụla Yoruba ka onye na-eji na-ezu ike gị nwa mbụ onye Igbo. Why many of you are doing your business there, paying tax because of your selfish governors and your selfish political leaders and the selfish religious leaders who only care about their pocket and who only care about their family. They are there knowing that what is chasing you out of your home, Ngareme Alibo, Ngareme the southeast, the old eastern region, Ngarabo Alabeke Kogapo, Gebruda Tega, Ibuka Yela North, Gebruda Tega, Ibuka na Lagos, Ibuka ndi North, Gebuka ndi West. Ani Igbo benna atọrọ chakom ha sị gị na insecurity na-egbu. Why na ndị hapụrụ n'ụlọ there? You didn't provide no job for them. Ịnọ na Lagos there, ọmọlile owoda ọ bụ ife niile ka na-anọ. Many of you upon ife niile sacrifice of ndị Igbo niile na-eme na that Lagos. Sacrifice ke nwa mbụ onye Igbo na-azụ ahịa, ndị support politicians instead of ịgbakọ aka ọnụ ka anyụ mamịrị aka ọgba ụfụfụ. Bata n'ife a na-eme, bata na this struggle, bata na this movement of liberation of Biafrans. This is the only way you have as onye Igbo na-azụ ahịa. You won't go any other way. You don't have any other choice than this. Nothing more, nothing less. Because of, you know why? Many of you got a Lagos na-azụ ahịa. Because of in this the whole southeast, you won't know seaport, you won't know international airport, you won't ordinary good road. Okay, you can say na Lagos na ga from that seaport. You can ga otu aka ị ga-esi isi ka i buru ngwa ahịa gị from Lagos na to east. Otu aka ị ga-esi ị ga-akwụgide ụgwọ from that seaport to ebe shop go na east. The same thing called na Lagos there. Due to emegide. But the earlier you realize this is better, fit to bring him election now. Yeah, but there. Okute. Na Lagos. Why? If I'm Choro Lagos, why don't you ask him? All our politicians. This Peter is not among the politicians. Haven't he been the corridor of power for long? Haven't he been roaming around the corridor of power into politics for a long time? Achieve these people, man, all these facilities, all these things that will help you in life, that will help your business to grow. Now, this your governors. This your governor, this your religious leader. Call them any name you like, you call them. Now, say this and that. Now, without them. Let me tell you something, my brothers and sisters. Let me tell you something. These people never mean well for you. Because of if these people are mean well for you, they will not be proud coming to Alaba, coming to anywhere you are doing business, doing campaign there for you. Because of they know what to chase you out. And that is why these people, let it down. Let me let you know. Give one now any place, you know. Please, as you are getting this video, make sure that you share this video. Subscribe to our channel. As you are doing this, you are empowering this channel. You are making our message to go more further. As you are doing this, I say may God bless you. Do us this a favor so that this platform will go more further to every one of you. So I'm not asking you as an Igbo man who is doing business in Lagos. As you are doing your business in Lagos, don't you know that business, if you are doing it in Southeast, you have seaport there, you have your international airport there. Do you know how much Southeast as a whole will be generating? This insecurity of a thing will less. And tomorrow, a Yoruba man you can have respect than you will be building your house tomorrow in a Christmas. Ucho na atogo. Ema ife ngemen mo bifi na bata abashe digoko. That is, the more you trust in these politicians, this is the kind of result you are going to be getting. That is why sometimes they are saying that Yoruba said this, Yoruba said that during the election. That is why sometimes I doesn't put up because of why? These are the things that your leaders have already sold you out. Once they have sold you out now, these people don't regard you as nothing, as only Igbo. They don't regard you as nothing. You also go to Diego. What they only see is that money that you have. On the only day, anything with that money cannot save you. You understand what I'm saying? That is why you have to wake up in your conscience and know that these politicians never mean well for you. Because if they mean well for you, they will not be coming in those places and be doing their campaign. And where they know that in Igbo, you don't have any infrastructures, you don't have any commercial center, you don't have anything that is generating money for Igbo. Una no abankete if ojo na-esi ka nkapụ. Listen here, before I close this thing, listen here. These are the people that your Southeast governors are supporting. They are supporting the people who is destroying the life of their own. And tomorrow, you want somebody like me to be tapping for this kind of people. They don't have anything to present. Tomorrow now, look at Soru Dona. Election, they roll now. Open the mic. Also, because of getting another 4 years. After me now, that's in life. Yes, you go get Yanchitoki, ya ofuku ya not that plan. Ya na chonyeka, auto hapreki, ya papa that plan. Also, if do you know what the EFCC, if I need all this Southeast government, because of all these men know that these people are very hefty, corrupt men. Corruption. After tell me the whole Eastern region, old Eastern region, is only place now. Any governor, any senator, finish his turn of war. EFCC actually appear. As in now, the corruption charges, this and that. Even now, allowed to Kahambe Megan, Kahambe Dobrinka, because of how much there is corruption, because of all of them are corrupt people. So, may Abena Butte the focus of Asiana, Nature could work a Buttery accusation. Nina, no London ego, no all lavish regular daughter, not knowing to corruption, this and that. If I book a hand call law attention, a copy and make it up your handles was saying EFCC may arrest. After here, how am I believe their own? Nah, Okwa one there. You can't hear the matter again. But in the north, many of these men are heavily corrupt. Do you see EFCC disturbing them? The answer is no. You are so new, but that is why these politicians are a bunch of criminals. They have dual passport. For you to know they never plan anything good for you. How not there? Would it be their own the place they're supposed to call their own country? How would they name it Abateke? And you are there clapping for them. You two are there crying gun for them. Why terrorists? Your leaders are supporting their masters are the commanders sitting in Abuja there. Even Shetima is one of them. Oga Obianwa, Oga the terrorists, Oga the vice president. Why your leaders are there? All of them, they can't talk. Okay, look at governors, Yoruba governors. Then gather themselves where they are doing meeting. What they are playing is Oduduwa national anthem. Your governor, I want on your even now second how this the Southeast forum Hana there when Mati is hand. Koko disi koto disi ka okama ya nambiri. Ha ga one ando hana second ha goro. Now go Biafra national item to tell you how selfish and the kind of people that you are following. They are not men. They are women, they are not even women. They are not men. They don't want to call men. Because of these people have killed themselves with corruption, with the bribery, and everything. Sell themselves zero. And the same way they sell themselves zero, they actually sell Managanab to zero. Is that the kind of life? Gịnwa nso onye Igbo nnebi nna-azụ ahịa na Lagos, nna-azụ ahịa any part of that zoo country. Is that the kind of life you want to continue to live? If it's not the kind of life you want to continue to live, if you ask for change and you need change, it's better you stood up and join us on this fight to restore this new country that we have, United States of Biafra. We restore this. This is the only hope that you have. This is your only hope. If you are still hoping that magic may happen tomorrow in that one nigger area, no, forget about it. The only way and the only way you have and the only save you have is to join us on this movement. Join this restoration of United States of Biafra. Let's bring it to reality into our land. N'ala Igbo, bring your money, bring what you have to support this movement. As you are doing that, I say may God, Chukwu Okike Abiama, bless you. And anywhere you are getting this video, please share this video and make it to go viral, because I don't want it to go more longer than this, because I have many things I will have shown you people, but I will not go more further. But share this video, subscribe to our channel if you are a new person, subscribe to this channel, share our video into every other platform. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Chukwu Okike Abiama gọziere m gị. As ka ị na-eme nke, asị m Chukwu Okike Abiama gọzie gị. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. From me, from here is good night.